Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi 9A, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Then you have to tap on the search bar right here and type here the iOS launcher. Right now we have to get the application from the Lutin developer. This one. Click on it. Tap install, and now just wait a little bit. Let's open. Click allow 3 times, and now you have to tap on the home button, and here we have to select our iOS launcher 13, but select to remember my choice and click here iOS launcher 13. Then tap that we got it, and as you can see here we got our launcher, but it's just loading, so we have to wait still a little bit. And the wallpaper was the difference, so that is not what you get when you install the launcher. You get the stock wallpaper, but I set this wallpaper as a default, so that's why you get it. And here we can also edit the widgets, and we can also try to edit the home icons. And that's how this launcher looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!